Hi, I'm Hugh with Beanstack. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to create a staff reading challenge. From your Beanstack admin dashboard, navigate to Challenges. Select the Challenge Templates tab, where you can access our library of challenge templates. Use these menu options on the left to limit by theme or filter using the drop-down menu. For this challenge, let's select Don't Bug Me, I'm Reading. You can preview this challenge, but let's click Use this template to get started. First, remove Copy of from your title. Scrolling down, notice that automatic enrollment is on by default. Select the grade range to Adult and toggle on Staff Members Only. Finally, set the date range. Next, let's review our badges. Adding a reward to a challenge can double participation, so let's look at how to do that. Simply select one of the badges and click Edit. Create a reward beneath this drop-down menu to make a new reward option. Y'all, our teachers and staff are superheroes, and meaningful rewards like gift cards or passes for casual dress day or extra time or public recognition like shout-outs are critical for motivation. It's all about helping them to feel seen and valued. Click Save and Add to attach the reward. Here's a crucial point. For your staff to see this challenge, it must be published. To publish this challenge, find this drop-down menu in the top right that says Draft and change it to Published. Now your staff will be participating in your first Beanstack reading challenge. By creating a staff reading challenge, you're involving staff in the same reading motivation that you want to inspire in your students. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to check out our other Benny's Learning Lab videos and keep reading.